vibrant pulse of the Naga village has long stood as garden of time and tradition. Once a treasure of clans, it remains a relic of power. Its voice commanding the ancient skies, reaching the sky, the air trembles, carrying its legacy, celebration and honor, echoing the past and anchoring the present. The sacred beating of the Logdrum, known as the thumb mic, signals the dawn of the new season, a prayer for the earth's bounty. It is the heartbeat of the village, summoning blessings from the spirit, whispering invocation, prosperity, health, and protection. Drums call Tanzane's time, reaching the divine breath, anchoring the prayers of the people are heard. And so, as we stand joyously, may the Almighty grace of the harvest reach in plentiful. May the drums' reverberation shatter the score, weaving peace into the fabric of our land. Let the sound rise high, and let it be heard across mountains and ranges. And may Nahalan be forever blessed with unity, abundance, and joy.
비스켓 천정이네요.
ভিতৰতে জাগা নাই এইটোৰা বাহাৰে মানুহ আছে তাইক দেখাই দিব দেই জাগা নাই এইটোৰা মানুহ বাহাৰে আছে
Folk songs and dances breathe the soul of the village, a timeless echo of heritage, a rhythm of life. Cherished by the community, they sing a language beyond mere words, a melody that carries the heart's endless emotions of faith, love, and failure. With hands entwined, they stand in perfect circle, voices rising like a river's flow. At the center, the singers stand, guiding the dancers as feet carved intricate patterns upon the air. Upright they stand, proud as warriors, their steps already tells of bravery and devotion. Their garments whispering echoes of ancient